English by Screen, Lesson 1.
Kwigira Icyongereza kuri ekara, isomo rya mbere.
The past simple of regular verbs.
Imitage y'inshinga zikurikiza amategeko.
Review.
Gusubiramo.
We have seen that the suffix ed is added to infinitives.
Twabonye ko akajambo ed kongerwa ku mbundo
in order to make the past simple form of regular verbs.
kugira ngo hakorwe imitage y'inshinga zikurikiza amategeko.
Let's consider, for example, the verbs to stay,
Reka dufate nk'inshinga kuguma,
to visit,
gusura
and to finish.
no kurangiza.
The past simple of to stay is stayed.
Imitage ya to stay ni stayed.
Last term, I stayed at school.
Igihembwe cyashize nagumye ku ishuri.
I didn't stay at home, but I stayed at school.
Sinagumye mu rugo ahubwo nagumye ku ishuri.
Where did you stay last term?
Nihe wagumye mu gihembwe cyashize?
I stayed at school.
Nagumye ku ishuri.
Did you stay at home last term?
Igihembwe cyashize wagumye mu rugo?
No, I didn't stay at home, but I stayed at school.
Oya, sinagumye mu rugo ahubwo nagumye ku ishuri.
The past simple of to visit is visited.
Imitage ya to visit ni visited.
Maholo visited the Volcanoes National Park 1 month ago.
Mahoro yasuye pariki nationali y'Ibirunga mu kwezi gushize.
She didn't visit the Red Sea,
Ntiyasuye inyanja itukura,
but she visited the Volcanoes National Park.
ahubwo yasuye pariki nationali y'Ibirunga.
What did Mahoro visit 1 month ago?
Mu kwezi kwashize Mahoro yasuye iki?
Maholo visited the Volcanoes National Park.
Mahoro yasuye pariki nationali y'Ibirunga.
Did she visit the Red Sea?
Yasuye si inyanja itukura?
No, Maholo didn't visit the Red Sea, but she visited the Volcanoes National Park.
Oya, Mahoro ntiyasuye inyanja itukura ahubwo yasuye pariki nationali y'Ibirunga.
The past simple of to finish is finished.
Imitage ya to finish ni finished.
The student finished the holidays last July.
Abanyeshuri barangije ibiruhuko muri Nyakanga yashize.
They didn't finish the holidays in June,
Ntibarangije ibiruhuko muri Kamena
but they finished the holidays in July.
ahubwo barangije ibiruhuko muri Nyakanga.
When did the students finish the holidays?
Abanyeshuri barangije ibiruhuko ryari?
The student finished the holidays in July.
Abanyeshuri barangije ibiruhuko muri Nyakanga.
Did they finish the last holidays in June?
Barangije ibiruhuko byashize mu kwezi kwa Kamena.
No, the student didn't finish the last holidays in June,
Oya, abanyeshuri ntibarangije ibiruhuko byashize muri Kamena
but they finished the holidays in July.
ahubwo barangije ibiruhuko muri Nyakanga.
Reminder.
Kwibukiranya.
We put the suffix ed on an infinitive
Dushyira ingereka ed ku mbundo
In order to make the simple part form of a regular verb.
kugira ngo dukore imitage y'inshinga ikurikiza amategeko.
Use a did not, or didn't.
Koresha utujambo did not, ndetse na didn't
If you want to make negative and interrogative forms of original verbs in the past simple.
niba ushaka gukora interuro zihakana cyangwa zibaza ku nshinga zisanzwe ziri mu mitage.